Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a 5-star Cedar Snow Sculpture in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already unlocked the snow sculpting hobby and reached level 5. But if you don't know how to unlock or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions to watch the full tutorials. And then next, for the important part, to get the 5-star Cedar sculpture like this, it's so perfect like this. You must sculpt during the correct weather. At the sunny, rainy, and rainbow like this, almost all the weather, and then you can sculpt all the time like this. And then after that, just begin this new sculpting mini game as usual. And then during the tapping rounds, to just try to clear as many rounds as possible, because the more rounds you successfully complete, the higher your chance to obtain a perfect 5-star cedar like this. You will get the perfect sculpture like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.